Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to fix the UPC_R2 loader 64 DLL was not found error in Assassin's Creed 4, Black Flag. If your game isn't launching because of this issue, just follow these steps carefully. First, open Windows Security and head over to Protection History from the left-hand menu. Check the list of blocked or quarantined items. If you see anything related to Assassin's Creed Black Flag or the UPC_R2 loader 64 DLL file, click on it, expand the details, then select Actions and choose Allow on Device. This will restore the file if it was blocked by Windows Security. If you don't find the file there or the problem still continues, go back to Virus and Threat Protection and click on Manage Settings. Scroll down and select Add or Remove Exclusions. Click on Add an Exclusion, choose Folder, and then locate your Assassin's Creed Black Flag installation directory. Select the folder and add it as an exclusion so Windows Security won't block any of the game files going forward. Next, open your game installation folder. Depending on your version, you may see one of two folders inside. Open whichever one is available. Then copy everything inside that folder and paste it into the main game directory. If you get a prompt, go ahead and replace or merge the files. Also, if you're using any third-party antivirus software, try temporarily disabling it since it might be interfering with the DLL file. Once you've completed all the steps, launch the game again. In most cases, the UPC_R2 loader 64 DLL was not found error should now be fixed. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.